Why we hiccup? Let's dive into this quirky mystery. Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. But did you know that they can happen for various reasons? So how can we stop these pesky hiccups? Let's find out. One effective method is to hold your breath for a few seconds. Drinking a glass of water quickly can also help ease them. Another trick? Swallowing a teaspoon of sugar can work wonders. Hiccups usually go away on their own, so don't stress too much. Next time you hiccup, try these tips and see what works for you.